Fellow peoples of the Southern Cameroons, fellow citizens of Ambazonia, today na number 14 day for the month for May 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for una. The United Nations Security Council session about the conflict for Southern Cameroons, it go on right now as we talk. For a breaking news, Seseko Ayok Tabi then announced a new cabinet. Yerima Dabni then be appointed the new vice president for the IG. In a surprising move, your humble servant, Capo Daniel, since past king, Lukong then be appointed as well as the ambassador to Asia and Middle East. Even though I know Seseko be done throw out my name out there, this appointment they come as a surprise to me, and it is an honor to be appointed by Seseko Ayok Tabi. And I think say this one a new thing for Ambazonia, because we never ever see people that they work with and be in different opinion. Everybody knows say me I've been an activist where I lean towards the AGC, and I don't public declare Ayabacho Lucas as the leader of the revolution and Seseko Ayok Tabi as the figurehead of our state, the British Southern Cameroon. I be down recommend say me they no create a new government again like before. My recommendation be na say me then create a transitional authority where you go usher in back a unitary platform such as the days of Skakuf, so that we go fit come together. But I think say this appointment now a thing where Ambazonia they never be used to say me people then be on both sides. Just imagine a cabinet where you get people from Maurice, you get people from AGC, you get people from APLM, you get people for SCNC, all that work together. You go reassure the Ambazonia people say these different people then they no fit make pasha, because they fear say the one for Maurice go carry talk and for day. You go bring transparency and you go reassure our people say any authority way they over way you go to work for the people their interests. I think only assure people then say this appointment go mean a message for people and say things they no go be before. It will also be like some sort of an endorsement of which we stand for, when a complete independence, truth and honesty, transparency and accountability. More important, as stand for pragmatism. We need people the way they move the ball from one point to another for make sure say we serve the revolution and the people of Ambazonia properly to effectuate their independence and nothing other than independence. I also stand for democracy, the rule of law and the respect of the mandate from the people. So why we go to wait for the vice president, Mr. Yerima, they expect for year the mission with Seseko Ayok Tabi Dangiam for the new cabinet. The cabinet no get a replacement for the AIP. I think say a powerful message way Seseko the send for the people them. Say no go be na this a thing as usual. The mission go be focused, and we go see officially. I will make a statement after the vice president that make a statement as well for put them for the people that media understand which they go on and which they stand and the rule if you play or I go play as an activist as myself. Me and Ambazonia people then be rest assured. Say we mean business for our independence, and we mean business for unity and for pragmatism in this revolution that is aimed to serve them for the one purpose, to accomplish their God-given right, their international right to become an independent people and to determine the outlook of their territory by themselves in exercise of their right of self-determination. Why would we wait for the resolutions then from the United Nations Security Council? The proceeding then be as expected, with a very powerful presentation from Caristas Bamenda, where Reverend Paul give a very straight indication about what did happen for Ground Zero and the need for the United Nations Security Council to look at the root cause of this problem. France also can begin to talk. They talk so they go support dialogue. The other countries and where they like French country, then they can talk the same thing. And interestingly, La République du Cameroon, their person can begin talk which we would see how they do them already. Where they can't talk for international community, say me them be silence. They actually talk about a right up way day outside where they talk about the resolution. Say they don't pass resolution already. Some country they don't support them, some country they don't vote against them. China be neutral, when I fake news. Now this type of fake news the way La République du Cameroon they always implant them amongst us for our chat group so that it go trick we for publish them, and then they go take them back, go in their intelligent reports, they go to talk semi country that they should don't quiet because they were struggle being made of of a fake news. Now, so La République du Cameroon embed those messages within our circles, but we will come forth with more analysis regarding this as soon as the publication of the resolutions are out. When I hear the Polish ambassador, their own presentation, where he really sum up the main thing where most of those countries that we talk, when I listen.
English-speaking regions, where the spiral of conflict winds up and already started bear signs of regular civil war. According to the reports, civilians in the English-speaking regions are victims of extrajudicial killings, abductions, restriction of movement, and access to health. The situation has also an adverse impact on the education system, posing a risk of even more serious problems for a whole generation of young Cameroonians. Gradual deterioration of social cohesion in Cameroon against a backdrop of incitement to ethnic hatred and intercommunal violence becomes a serious problem before our eyes, and it cannot be neglected. All above mentioned difficulties generates a great need for urgent, long-term solutions, both for refugees and hosting communities. Therefore, Poland calls all the parties on the ground to take immediate steps to prevent any further violence and to work together in good faith, including through a process of open and inclusive dialogue to reduce the tensions and to devise long-term political agreement. In this context, we recognize the strategic role of regional organizations in reducing tensions on the ground and encourage the African Union to use all its mediation efforts and good offices to support reaching a real agreement, of allowing full humanitarian access, also for human rights monitors, and of coordination of action taken in this regard.
So basically, we would expect say the resolution will be included for give access for the international community for send people them for deliver refugee them and those who then be internally displaced with aid, and they go make them it will surely be attached with an order where Cameroon government no go fit stop them for come for they can help people them. Would also expect say they go turn back the ball for send them for the African Union with a mandate say me them mediate. These are things where we would expect them from there, but would also expect say they will give a mandate for try and for convict people the way they try for where they commit war crimes, including La République du Cameroon, their army, in particularly specific general, the way they don't commit crimes against humanity, burning of villages and things like that. This will be a stick for Paul Biya, because if he end up for put Paul Biya for prison, we'll be see the same similar situation where it happen for Southern Sudan. Now say we start with resolutions like this, where we make sure say they will hold accountability and justice for those who then be victims of the genocide. So we hope say this will be the beginning of the end of Mr. Paul Biya as a person and his regime, as well as the end of the colonialization of our territory. We'll get a lot of work for do. We can only intensify our resistance and our liberation movement, because the international community hears nothing but the language of the AK-47. We will need to be more cautious and to be more careful. Say me what troops them, then follow international laws, in particularly the Geneva Convention. We look forward for our international partners, their response, as well as Dr. Larry, the State Department of the AGOFC, who have been heavily involved with the back deal negotiation and pushing our agenda through our international partners. This is a situation where we have to see that recognition is very paramount to our struggle, and there is no substitute for recognition. There was a big battle about which organization they could be allowed to talk for inside a panel, and we'll see the influence from France and the alliances them for the organization where they be chosen with some moderation from America, and we'll be very happy see they be back the Caristas for Bamenda where they be very fair and they present a very good picture, and we hope this is hope for Ambazonians' independence and for justice for Ambazonian, because we are in international law, we are right before God and man, and before we must intensify our campaign for our independence. We must intensify the internationalization of our case. May the revolution and the fighting be brief. May our independence, democracy and freedom in Ambazonia be forever. God bless you. Kapo Daniel, signing off.